What is the main function of the spleen? A. Blood filtration. B. Oxygen transport. C. Hormone control. Blood filtration. Which type of blood cells fight infections? A. Platelets. B. White blood cells. C. Red blood cells. White blood cells. Which doctor specializes in pregnancy care? A. Neurologist. B. Cardiologist. C. Obstetrician. Obstetrician. What is harmful to the bladder? A. Fiber. B. Water. C. Energy drinks. Energy drinks. Which organ uses the most energy in the human body? A. Brain. B. Liver. C. Skin. Brain. What is the hardest part of the human body? A. Tooth enamel. B. Bone. C. Muscle. Tooth enamel. What part of your blood helps stop bleeding? A. Plasma. B. Platelets. C. Red cells. Platelets. Which organ can regenerate after damage? A. Lungs. B. Liver. C. Heart. Liver. What nutrient is the body's main energy source? A. Fat. B. Carbohydrates. C. Protein. Carbohydrates. Which part of the body digests fat? A. Small intestine. B. Stomach. C. Pancreas. Small intestine. How many times does the average heart beat in a day? 100,000 times, 50,000 times, or 200,000 times? 100,000 times. What is considered normal blood pressure? 140/90ths, 120/80ths, or 90/60ths? 120/80ths. What is the primary male hormone? A. Testosterone. B. Estrogen. C. Insulin. Testosterone. Which disease is caused by bacteria in the lungs? A. Asthma. B. Bronchitis. C. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. What is the normal fasting blood sugar level? 120 to 150 milligrams per deciliter, 70 to 100, or 40 to 60? 70 to 100. Which organ controls blood flow in the body? A. Liver. B. Brain. C. Heart. Heart. What is a healthy resting heart rate? 30 to 50 BPM, 60 to 100 BPM, or 120 to 150 BPM? 60 to 100 BPM. What gives blood its red color? A. Oxygen. B. Plasma. C. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Which mineral is essential for oxygen transport? A. Iron. B. Calcium. C. Sodium. Iron. What is the primary function of the lungs? A. Gas exchange. B. Digestion. C. Pumping blood. Gas exchange. Which part of the eye helps you focus? A. Retina. B. Lens. C. Cornea. Lens. How many chambers does the human heart have? A. 3. B. 2. C. 4. 4. What is fat stored around organs called? A. Subcutaneous fat. B. Visceral fat. C. Muscle fat. Visceral fat. Which habit causes lung damage? A. Walking. B. Smoking. C. Swimming. Smoking. What is considered the dirtiest part of the body? A. Face. B. Hands. C. Belly button. Belly button. Which mineral is essential for strong bones? A. Calcium. B. Iron. C. Zinc. Calcium. How many chromosome pairs do humans have? A. 46. B. 23 pairs. C. 12 pairs. 23 pairs. What is the largest artery in the human body? A. Pulmonary vein. B. Aorta. C. Vena cava. Aorta. Which mineral is essential for thyroid function? A. Iodine. B. Magnesium. C. Potassium. Iodine. Which hormone primarily regulates sleep? A. Insulin. B. Melatonin. C. Cortisol. Melatonin. What happens to your height during the night? A. Decreases. B. Stays same. C. Increases. Increases. How many blood types are there in total? A. 6. B. 8. C. 4. 8. Which body part keeps growing all through life? A. Hair. B. Nose. C. Nails. Nose. What is the only part of the human body that cannot heal itself? A. Skin. B. Bone. C. Teeth. Teeth. Which disease is known as the silent killer? A. Flu. B. Hypertension. C. Diabetes. Hypertension. Which part of the body produces red blood cells? A. Bone marrow. B. Liver. C. Kidney. Bone marrow. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? A. Cerebellum. B. Cerebrum. C. Brainstem. Cerebellum. Which part of the body produces growth hormone? A. Pituitary gland. B. Thyroid. C. Pancreas. Pituitary gland. Where is the thyroid gland located in the body? A. Chest. B. Neck. C. Abdomen. Neck. Which blood cells help in clotting? A. White blood cells. B. Platelets. C. Red blood cells. Platelets. Which blood cells carry oxygen? A. Plasma. B. Platelets. C. Red blood cells. Red blood cells. Who specializes in skin conditions? A. Dentist. B. Surgeon. C. Dermatologist. Dermatologist. Which doctor specializes in eye care? A. Pediatrician. B. Ophthalmologist. C. Cardiologist. Ophthalmologist. What is the medical name for kidney stones? A. Nephritis. B. Dialysis. C. Nephrolithiasis. Nephrolithiasis. What is the medical term for difficulty breathing? A. Dyspnea. B. Asthma. C. Apnea. Dyspnea. What is the medical term for a sore throat? A. Sinusitis. B. Pharyngitis. C. Tonsillitis. Pharyngitis. What is the medical term for high cholesterol? A. Hyperlipidemia. B. Anemia. C. Hypoglycemia. Hyperlipidemia. What does CT scan stand for? A. Clinical test. B. Computed tomography. C. Computer tracking. Computed tomography. What is the average blood volume in an adult? A. 3 liters. B. 10 liters. C. 5 liters. 5 liters. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? A. Lungs. B. Heart. C. Brain. Heart.